guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, for today's video, I am guilty. For today's video, I have a double unboxing, you guys. Yes, a Coach double unboxing. What can I say? When I'm bad, I'm really, really bad. And you guys, I like being a bad girl, okay? All these YouTubers on low buy and no buy, I mean, I understand their reasonings. Sometimes it has to be done, and sometimes you have to do it for yourself. But for me, I have no interest in that life, okay? I have no interest. And I am so excited to share with you what is in these boxes. I just came in from teaching art class. It's 8:30 at night. And I can't wait any longer, you guys. So let's go ahead and open up these boxes. So I never try to deny that I'm not a bad girl. Now, in the past, I have voluntarily went to Ban Island. But you guys, that is just not the place for me. Okay? It's just not the place for me. I don't fare well there. So anyway, guys, I'm super excited. But before we get started with the unboxing, I will share with you my bag of the day. And it is this gorgeous, gorgeous Coach tabby, quilted 26, and it is the gold hardware. Such a classic piece, you guys. And this is my style of bag. I love a flat bag. And this 26, it holds plenty. It holds plenty. It holds just what I need for just an everyday bag, and I am loving it, okay? So it's also got the pocket. It's just a beautiful bag. Oh, this line, you guys, this line has been my all-time favorite that Coach has ever put out. I'm really loving the quilted tabby. When this came out, and also the Madison, which I have two of, I love them. So you really can't get a better bag. I know I look like a hot mess Yota, okay? I've been in all day. I've been painting all day and teaching class all day. So this is what we get. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this box. And I really would like to know what it is you guys think that I bought this time, okay? What do you think is in this box? Now, I'm thinking about doing some kind of a contest because, you guys, I have not counted my handbags in a long time. I am seriously considering doing some kind of a contest and a giveaway to see who can guess how many bags I have. But I haven't really figured the whole thing out. I just thought it would be a lot of fun. But anyway, guys, I have my killer knife here. So let's go ahead and open this up. I did pull the tape off, but I have not even peeked, you guys. Wait a minute. I'm getting confused. I did peek. Oh, I just lied. Okay, I did peek. I was gonna say this isn't, okay. I just let the cat out of the bag because that means I have yet another one coming. All right. All right, guys, so here it is. I did take a peek. Okay, always up front with you guys. So let me just get this box out. I just didn't put it back in there. I remember now. I had to take a peek, and it's actually been over a week since I took a peek, and so now I'm super excited to see it again. Here it is, because I did maul the box. Here it is. Oh Lord. Okay. Now let's just see. I did all this. You guys, oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. Okay, I've went crazy over this tabby line because these are classic flaps and so much better than Chanel. I am gonna go out there and I'm gonna say this is so much better than Chanel because they're $550. Okay, so a classic flap is pretty much very similar to this in the sense that you open it up, it's a classic flap. You have this flap here with the magnetic closure. Let me just get all this off of it. But you guys, this is such a classic style, and I don't really have regret buying multiples of this bag because It's my style, my jam, and also, you guys, I've been pretty good along with being bad. I have sold 3 bags this week, so I'm super excited about that, and I hope you ladies that bought my bags are happy with them. You guys, I sold my Chanel reissue, the one that I always said was my very favorite bag, and it was my very favorite bag, and I love it. I think that for me anymore, that style was a little bit big. Like if it were a smaller size, I would have kept it, but I just didn't use it much. And no matter how much we love a bag, if I'm not going to use it, I need to move it along to a new home. All right, guys, so I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to take all this off and share with you this bag in all her glory. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous. Look how beautiful. Look at this nude. Let me tell this story about this bag. So Dawn actually picked this up for me. I had asked for the pink bag, and I didn't mean the cotton candy pink, because I would have never, because I thought this was more pink. But actually, it's kind of like that Gucci color that they called rose that was more of a nude color. That's what this reminds me of. So this bag, she had her SA send this to me. And thank you, Dawn, for such a nice favor. And she tried it on for me, and I just love it. But yeah, the color's a little different than I thought it was, because I kind of thought it was more pink, but not the bubblegum pink. But this is perfect. I like this even better, you guys. And then also, her SA sent me a card. So it says, Pawnee Yota, thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your new quilted tabby. I left it in its original packaging so it shouldn't get ruined. Thank you. Enjoy, Vinny. Oh, thank you so much, Vinny. And thank you, Dawn. So yeah, this is it. This is my beautiful, I guess, is this called the taupe color? I'm not really sure, you guys, because this is one that I wasn't really thinking about getting. I know I have the white one. And I thought, well, I won't get this one. But you guys, I like it even better because, like I said, I thought it was more pink. Now look at it next to the black one. I mean, they just look so different, right? This is such a classy and subtle bag. Now, I do want to point something out that Eva had mentioned. She was in boutique and she said she felt like the black ones were softer. And she's right. The black one is so soft. So it's genuine Napa leather, but it feels like lambskin. This one, it's soft, but it's not as soft. Eva, you were absolutely right about the feel of the bags. This one feels much softer. This one is soft, but this one right here is so buttery soft. But I don't mind. I love these bags. They're such classics. This will never go out of style. And I will enjoy using these for years to come. I think this will be so pretty in the spring with white and, well, all year around, but it would be absolutely fabulous with a white pair of jeans. And I also love the fact that this one has the silver hardware and this one has the gold. Of course, you guys know I have the chalk one and it is also gold. So I'm really happy that I have this one with the silver hardware. This is just stunning. Let me show you a very close-up look. And again, this tag doesn't bother me on this one, but it did on the white one, but I may just take this tag off. So let me put it over here so you guys can look at her. But yeah, it's so pretty, so beautiful. Oh, I love it. All right, guys, so it won't be too hard to figure out what is in this box. So let's go ahead and open this box next. All right. Here she is. I'm excited. All right. Now, you guys know how I am not the biggest luxury SLG purchaser. Like, I do have luxury SLGs, but I don't just buy lots of card holders, lots of wallets and things like that because I guess it's just, I mean, I like to have them, but I don't like to pay for them. And they're not really as thrilling to me as something like this. So anyway, yes, it's a little small item to go along with the bag. And normally I'm not matchy-matchy when it comes to, you know, card cases and things like that. But I don't know, when it's a really special bag, I kind of want it to match. All right, let me look at this. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. So these pieces, look at that. So this is the, oh, okay. All right, guys, so, all right, hold on. I'll be right back. Forget everything I just said because I just made a mistake. Okay, so I ran and got my chalk tabby. This is what I purchased this for. That's right. I was thinking I got a card case, just the smaller card case, but this is like the little zippy wallet. I was thinking I got the card case to match, but what it was, you guys, I'm just been so bad. I can't even keep up with my own self. So I wanted a wallet to match this and all of the other chalk bags that I have. So I have the Pillow Madison and I have some other Coach chalk bags. So that is why I purchased this light color. And this one's like the zippy wallet. And it's got this back pocket. So let me go ahead and cut this off. Yeah, I was thinking I got the wallet or maybe the card case I was considering. With all my bad shenanigans lately, you guys, I can't even keep up with my own self. But these are my very favorite type of wallets. Look at that. So this, I believe, it says 120 Canadian. Okay, $95. This was $95. All right. So I could get 5 of them for less than one Louis Vuitton or one Chanel. And they're leather and they're beautiful. And the zipper is buttery. And you have all these card cases on the inside to put dollars and cards. Let me go ahead and show you and get all this paperwork out of it. And that is why I love Coach SLGs. They're my absolute favorite. All right, they put a lot of stuffing in there. But see, it's like an accordion style. I love it. And I mean, everything you could ever want, the back pocket, the little zippy, and it's gonna go perfectly with this bag and all of my other chalk pieces. So yeah, I went ahead and purchased it, but I was confused. What else is new? I mean, I could use it in there, but that's not what I got it for. And I probably won't use that because that doesn't look good. Do I need another wallet? I mean, literally, you could get 5 of these for $500. So what would you rather have? Would you rather have 5 of these in different colors? Or would you want one Chanel card case? I mean, it's whatever, you know, floats your boat. But for me, I honestly rather have this in multiple colors. Now, I don't always change out my wallets when I change out my handbags. But for a bag like this, it's very special. I don't know, it just, knowing that it matches, it makes me feel so put together. And I just think it's so fabulous. This bag, I moved right back into it when I changed my bag the other day from the Chanel bag. And I am still using, let me show you. I am still using the butterfly. It's the mid-size wallet and it fits in there perfectly. So this is the mid-size Coach wallet and this is my new one. So see, there's plenty of space and there's plenty of space for this one as well. I love it, you guys. So, and I like pink and black together. I mean, it just went really cute in this bag. It goes right in there. See, perfect. All right, so I will list all of these in the description box below for you guys. I know this collection, especially the denim collection, I kind of missed out because I always said I wasn't a denim girl, and I guess I'm really not, but I do regret not getting the size 20. Kind of wish I had. So if it comes back, I may pick that one up too. But you guys, I have no remorse having all of these tabbies. This one to me is just a classy bag. I don't normally carry bags like this for every day. I might occasionally, but this bag, I'll probably use this for Easter. But see, they just look so different, but they're both gold hardware. And then the new member of the family is all together different because, especially because of the C, and this one is silver hardware. So I don't know, I might have to get a little card case for that one too. I went crazy, you guys. No bones about it. But anyway, this is what I picked up because see, I've had this stuff for about 2 weeks. That's why I forgot what it was I was opening up. So Anyway, yeah, what do you think about my new purchases? And is there something from this collection that you got that you absolutely love? Did you get in on the denim craze? And if not, do you regret it? Because I do. I wish I had picked up the 20. I really do. I think that it would be so cute for the spring and summer, but you never know with Coach. It's like someone said to me, well, these bags may go on sale. I kind of doubt it. I don't know. But I really feel like there's such hot commodities right now that they're not going to go on sale anytime soon. I feel like they will later. All right, guys, so yes, I've done some damage with Coach lately. But, you know, I haven't really been into luxury handbags lately because these quench my thirst. Now, sometimes I do come across a Louis Vuitton bag that I have to have, like the minute I see it. And I usually have that kind of reaction with Louis Vuitton. But right now, I don't really see anything that I have to have from any of the collection. I just don't. So maybe when my birthday comes around in May, I might, you know, treat myself if there's something that I really want. But all the money that I have spent on all of these bags, plus this beautiful wallet, does not come close, not even close, to a luxury handbag. That's what most people call luxury handbags. So I feel pretty good about these purchases. I'm just not into, I don't know if it's a phase, but I'm just not into a lot of luxury right now. So yeah, we'll see. I have been taking a look at Jacquemus lately because I want different things. Like, I just want things that are different. I don't want the same old thing. That's a brand that I want to explore. And also I'd like to explore Stella McCartney because I'm a huge Paul McCartney fan. But I do love her designs and I love the fact that they're vegan leather. They are pricey, but you can find them on Fashion File at a very reasonable price. So I don't know, just right now, I'm just so into Coach. And I think this time last year I had broken up with Coach. Well, we always reunite, you guys. It's like I can't stay mad at Coach forever. This collection got me, and it got me good. So I make no apologies for being such a bad girl. Thank you, Dawn, for getting this beautiful bag for me. And yes, thank you to Vinny. That's Dawn's sales associate. I really appreciate it, and the bag came so fast. But anyway, guys, that's really all I have for you tonight. I am considering doing an entire Coach collection. If you guys want to see that, let me know. Now, last year I sold most of my Coach bags. I had a whole different variety of bags, but I was not using them. I was not reaching for them. And I don't think I'm gonna have that problem with this collection because it's just so classic. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing my entire Coach collection because I'm just on a roll right now. That is all I have for you. I'm gonna go down there and spend a little time with Keith, and I will see you guys again on Saturday. Peace.